Good morning friends, how are you? Today I'm going to check out this product which I have purchased to restore my headlights. It's from Formula 1. It says Formula 1 High Performance Headlight Restore and Sealant. Restores cloudy dull yellow headlights to look like new. Can also be used on brake lights, motorcycle windscreens, helmets and boat windows. So let's get started. So we are going to be needing 4 things. First of all, it's water. To clean your headlights first with water with microfiber towel, then apply the head restorer sealant to the towel and rub it thoroughly in a circular motion. Then we're gonna use another microfiber towel to clean it up. So let's get started. First we will clean it with water. It's a one-hand thing, so I gotta need to pause the video. So I've just washed it and I'm going to clean it one more time. Just clean it with water to remove any dirt or derby. Then I'll be applying the Formula 1 headlight restorer to this one. Shake well before use and all good to go. Alright. We have to rub it in circular motions. So I'm going to rub it like 3 to 4 minutes, then I'll show you the result. You can see it has cleaned a bit, and I have also applied it to the fog light. It was very yellowish. Now it's like 40% better compared to the one before. Just I will show you the difference. See the cloudy one and the fog light. It was like this, yellowish. Now it's good to go. Now I think it's better. Anyway, after 4-5 months I will change the fog light to a new one, and I will apply the same here to the right one, and I'll show you the result. Same thing, just wash with water and use the Formula 1 and rub it in circular motions just for like 2-3 minutes. Now I have cleaned it up with water, and let's take a closer look before I apply. It does help to remove little bit of yellowishness and oxidization, but I can see that my light's plastic is a little rough here, and I think I need to use the sandpaper and buffing and those other types of liquid compounds. But for a temporary fix, I think it works. It cost me just $9, like 29 dirhams around, and you are good to go for a temporary fix. Alright, that's the video of Formula 1 headlight restorer. Hope you like it. Peace.